The purpose of this assignment is to create a database to keep track of job candidates for open positions at Secure Systems Incorporated, which is a database management corporation. And what we want to do is create three tables, one for candidates, one for job openings, and one for interviews. And we do that in Create, and we click on Table. So once we have that, what we want to do is to populate the field names with candidate ID, the first name, the last name, the phone number. And when we do that, we can also change the data type like so. And once we do that, we can go to input mask. So for something like phone number, we can do input mask, and we can go to phone number and hit next and finish. And then we have the phone number over here. So once we have that, we can go to database tools and we click on relationships to create a relationship among the three tables. So we have candidate ID to candidate ID in interviews, and then for the job opening ID to job opening ID in interviews. After we have that, we can populate our table with 10 job candidates, and then we can populate our job opening for database administrator as well as 3 other job openings over here, and then we schedule our interviews with our job candidates. Alright, and date of interview over here. Next, we want to do a query, so we go to create and we go to query wizard, and we create our query for last name, first name, job opening ID, interviewed by, date of interview, rank over here. And for the rank, what we want to do is all the candidate that scored less than or equal to 3 for the position of database administrator. So once we have that, we can click run. And so we will have our list of database administrators with a low rank. And what really helped creating this project was the relationships in database tools, because that allowed all three tables to be related.